You're going to have to believe in the well-being of this earth. There's never a reason to try to push anything because everything is unfolding as it should at the right time. Everything is right on track. So don't try to struggle things into place or deadline things into place or bang things into place or coerce things into place or demand things into place. It's a matter of letting it be. Letting the goodness that you so deserve, let it be. Believe in the well-being of this earth. Let your passions be. Let your balance be. Let your nation be. Let your government be. Let the ecology be. Let the earth spin in its orbit in perfect proximity. Let it be. You're not involved in the world spinning around. You've let that be, so let other things be. You've set into motion what it is that you want and desire. And when you train yourself into that expectation, then well-being abounds, always. To register for upcoming Law of Attraction class, visit evangelistwalton.net.